Trinity B1, the GESE English exam, mock test. Our candidate today is Sara, and I can tell she prepared my topic. This sounds really nice. Check it out.
Good evening. This is the Trinity Grade 5 GESE exam. My name is Mrs. Examiner. What is your name, please?
My name is Sara Begum.
And Sara, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
What is your topic for today, please?
My topic is my hobby, cooking.
And what are your 5 subtopic points, please?
And my 5 topics are how I learned to cook,
Yes,
things I prefer to cook,
yes,
why I love cooking,
yes.
the most difficult dish I have ever cooked,
Okay.
and my future plan for cooking.
So, do you like cooking?
Yes, I really like to cook
And why?
because it's my hobby and it makes me happy.
What type of things do you like to cook?
I like to cook easy and simple dishes such as chicken curry, meat curry, and mixed vegetables.
And what's the most difficult thing that you have ever cooked?
The most difficult dish I have ever cooked is fish eggs because to cook fish eggs you have to use right amount of water, but I didn't use enough water, so they were not cooked properly, and
no.
that was the most difficult dish.
And do you prefer to cook difficult things or easier things?
No, I prefer to cook easier things.
And how did you learn how to cook?
I learned cooking from my mother, and after marriage, I also learned cooking from my mother-in-law. And I also learned cooking, practicing by myself.
Oh, that's wonderful to have that chance to learn from people.
Yeah.
And how do you practice by yourself? Do you look up recipes online?
Yes, I watched recipes on YouTube.
Oh, there's a lot of great information there.
Yeah.
And what are your future cooking plans?
My future plan for cooking to how to cook biryani because I love biryani, but I don't know how to cook it. So I will learn how to cook biryani, and I also want to improve my cooking skills. And I will improve my cooking skill, and I also will learn more recipes so I can cook for my family.
So you've never cooked biryani?
No, not yet.
Do you think it will take a long time to learn this or not so long?
If I practice every day, I think that's not gonna take long time.
And do you normally spend a long time cooking or not so much?
Not so much. I spent on cooking 2.5 hours,
Okay.
and it's not a little time also.
Yeah, it depends how busy your
Yeah.
day is.
Yes.
And can you ask me a question about this topic?
Okay. Do you like cooking?
Oh, yes, I like cooking very much.
Oh.
Let's talk about entertainment. What do you like to do for entertainment? Films, television?
For entertainment, I like to watch YouTube videos.
YouTube, there's so much information there.
Yeah.
What type of videos do you watch?
As I love cooking, so I watched most of the time I watched cooking recipes on YouTube, and sometimes I also watched music video.
Okay. And do you watch cooking videos in English or in a different language?
I watched cooking. I watch cooking videos in English language, so I can also improve my English.
That's great. Have you ever made a cooking video?
No, I didn't.
And do you think you will in the future, maybe, or no?
No, I maybe no.
And do you spend a lot of time watching YouTube or not so much?
Not so much because I have a baby, so I have to spend time with her also.
Sure. And
Yeah.
how do you watch YouTube? Is it on the phone or on the computer or television?
Oh, it's on my phone
And why do you watch it on your phone and not on the computer or television?
because I feel more comfortable with watching YouTube on my phone.
So do you prefer to watch YouTube on your phone and not on television?
Yeah.
And what will you watch next on YouTube?
Next I will watch some English classes on YouTube because I want to improve my English. So yeah.
Yeah, there's so much on YouTube nowadays.
Yeah. And it helps people from learning different things.
Yeah, it's great for that.
Yeah.
And 24/7.
Mhm.
Do you think that a lot of people watch YouTube or do they watch
Yeah.
other things?
I think people watch other things also, like TikTok,
Mm.
Instagram, and YouTube. Yeah.
And can you ask me a question about this topic?
Um, okay. Um, how much time do you spend on watching YouTube?
It depends on the day. Sometimes it's only 1 minute and sometimes it might be an hour.
Oh,
Let's let's talk about transportation. How did you come
okay.
to the exam center today?
I came by my husband's car.
And does he normally drive you places?
Yeah, he drive.
And have you ever taken the bus in the UK?
Yeah, I also use public transport like bus, train because they are easy to use and it's cheap.
And do you prefer the bus or the train, if you can choose?
Um, Most of the time I prefer use my own car because I feel more comfortable with it. And
Sure.
yeah,
Oh, go ahead.
sorry. And I also prefer to use bus because it's cheaper.
Yes, it definitely is nowadays.
Yeah.
Do you spend a lot of time on the bus every week or not so much?
No, not so much. I always use my husband car.
Oh, that's convenient, isn't it?
Yeah.
Did you take the bus last week?
No, last week I didn't go anywhere. So, yeah, that's why.
Sure. And have you ever taken a tram in the UK?
No, I always use my husband car if I need.
Hmm. And in the future, do you think you will ever drive? Will you get a driver's license?
Yeah, I am thinking to learn my. I'm thinking to take my driving lessons.
Mhm.
So after one exam, I will practice for that.
And can you ask me a question about this topic?
Yeah. Okay. Do you like public transport or own car?
I like public transport because then I don't have to worry about parking.
Yeah, that's great.
And that is the end of our exam today. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
That was a nice one, wasn't it? She's a great speaker. As long as she speaks like that, she will pass this exam, and I hope she even gets higher than a pass. Things she could work on a little bit is the present perfect, just to show the examiner that she has the skill, because she definitely understands the questions. So now just show the examiner, yes, I have done something, or no, I haven't done something. Keep studying. Keep learning English.